Jaydenn go suck out a big pussy with a toy. King Brushy. Jaydenn go suck your mother.
Jay Daddy do you. Then Zouma you really argue Rika when I have not short back.
Alright.
You have Rika when I have not tonsil cat it cat.
Rosealee, you hear me? One day me.
Mr. Rika them, Mr. Man shit and piss na Rika mouth them.
My Rika no body, bro. Bro, I get Rika file. Somebody takes my Instagram and give me Rika file, everything.
Oh.
More than one person takes my Instagram.
Hold on. Nobody have a text you and tell her nothing about blood clot Rika. And Rika don't come touch your drink come like sauce juice.
So what? Alright,
Rosealee. History of them.
Rosealee, listen to my sister. My sister, listen to me, you. They say the day, she now tell me the truth, why I text her. The day me, she and Kitty up on the live and Willie, that a diamond man. She tell Willie, say, no, some like Zouma. She turn him up on the live and say, Zouma, send me a number. I'm say, bro, me and she know say. Me only take Rika serious, bro.
Believe you.
Rika from Instagram days. More than Rika affiliate with. Rika, you know, body with her.
Hold on, you know
me young, fresh, man.
Long time fuck believe you. I saw she look entourage over chat and laugh and the
right.
Everybody from Instagram don't like me, I tell. I saw she a mad over entourage. Nice, clean skin Rasta man. When him say Rika, him say, ew.
Alright. Bro, she said she like, bro, Rika, you know Rika. I text her and say, I'm not going to tell her, I text her and say, babe. I'm going to text her and say, babe, I send me number, I say, yo. What's up, our FaceTime, and she said,
nice. She's a man of
she repeat them fear text. You want to say, no, she do. She delete back fear text them, have mine text them. Now she try to prove a point, go suck them with a Rika. A batty boy, Jaydenn, after a boy, my text, a Rika, my text. And a batty boy, my text. Batty man, your vice no, the doctor man, your batty man. Share, I'm a secret. Jaydenn, share a secret of apology, go suck them with that.
Oi! When you come out to Jaydenn, you have to argue. Remember, Jaydenn come apologize to Shake. I don't want him batty secret bust out.
Alright.
You don't have to apologize to me. You don't have in an argument in an bed. When it's anytime can argue with Shake on TikTok, then we argue with him. If him can't argue with Shake, we'll not argue with him.
Alright.
We'll not argue.
I'm going to call my sister today. I'm going to call she.
We'll not argue.
I go for my phone and call she. I go for my next phone and call my sister. You a batty man, you a batty name. Bro, a brush can fuck you with. Can I show my Tony a batty? You's a gay. Everybody comment, gay Diddy.
No,
gay Diddy.
Fish.
Gay Diddy.
No.
Brushy.
Fish.
Jay Diddy, brushy. Brushy one string. Oh, brushy one string. Makeup brush. Jaydenn, you're a jewel. Jaydenn, you're an alien. Jaydenn, you're wicked. Jaydenn, you sex usher in your body. Jaydenn, you're a monster. People, I don't pity from Jaydenn. I don't pity from Jaydenn. Jaydenn, you're a monster. Jaydenn, you're a monster. Jaydenn.